angel with a mighty voice saying, Babylon the great has fallen, because Babylon has been found drunken with the blood of the saints. So we rain down brimstone, lightning, earthquake, and fire upon all evil forces encompassed round and about I and I. So, and I ask of the Almighty King Emperor Haile Selassie I first to come in on our behalf. We ask of thee to institute judgment and justice at this time, Almighty King. As we gather here in search for justice as you did at the League of Nations, we ask that the answer to return to our people is an answer that will give justice. It's an answer that will enact laws against any form of injustice against our people. We have been burdened for too long, Almighty King, with this kind of discrepancy on the part of the state. So and I ask of thee that this gathering today will bring I and I victory of good over evil. Another prayer, we want 7 prayer.
The words of His Imperial Majesty Haile Selassie, that until the philosophy that holds one race superior and another inferior is finally and permanently discredited and abandoned. And until there is no more first class and second class citizens of any nation. Until the color of a man's skin is of no more significance than the color of his eyes. Until bigotry, maliciousness and inhuman self-interest is replaced by goodwill and understanding. Until all Africans can stand and speak freely in the eyes of men as they are in the eyes of the Almighty. Until the all basic human rights are guaranteed to all without regard to race, then the dream of true lasting peace, world citizenship and the rule of international morality will become but a fleeting illusion to be pursued but never attained. There will be war. So why do the heathen rage and the people imagine a vain thing? False rulers set themselves together to take counsel against I and I, saying, come let they break our band asunder and cast our cause away. But Haile Selassie that sitteth in the heavens shall laugh, because he shall have them in the region, and he shall break them like unto a potter's vessel. Haile
Selassie! Prayer number 3.
The Most High standeth in the congregation of the mighty. He judgeth among the gods, he will not judge unjustly. Neither accept the person of the wicked stealer. He defend the poor and fatherless, do justice to the afflicted and needy. Rid us out of the hand of the wicked. They know not, neither will they understand. They walk on in darkness, all the foundation of the earth are out of force. I have said ye are gods, and all of you are children of the Most High. Ye shall die like men and fall like one of the princes. Jah arise and judge the world, and let the meek inherit the earth. Yeah!
Rastafari!
Yeah!
Rastafari!
Yeah!
Rastafari!
Come on, his throne and his majesty.
The earth is the Lord and the fullness thereof.
Psalms of King David, when I was on the battlefield to slew Goliath. In the Almighty put I my trust. How say ye to my soul, flee as a bird to your mountain? For lo, the wicked bend their bow. They make ready their arrows upon the string, that they may privily shoot at the upright in heart. If the foundations be destroyed, what can the righteous do? The Almighty is in his holy temple. The Almighty's throne is in Zion. His eyes behold, his eyelids strive, the children of Ionai. The Almighty tried the righteous, but the wicked and him that loveth violence his soul hated. Upon the wicked he shall rain snares, fire and brimstone, and horrible tempest, that shall be the portion of their cup. For the righteous Almighty loveth righteousness, his countenance doth behold the upright. We demand justice in the name of peace, love, and oneness. Yes! For NZinga King, this officer must be removed.
No.
Haile Selassie, I say so. Alright. Give thanks.
Prayer number 5.
Rastafari, the earth is the Lord and the fullness thereof, and I that dwell therein. For Jah founded upon the seas and established upon the floods. Who shall ascend in the hills of the Most High God? Jah, Rastafari. Who shall stand in the highly place? A man with a heart that is clean and a heart that is pure, A man that not lift up thy heart to vanity, nor soar deceitfully. Jah, Rastafari. The ends you serve that are selfish will get you no further than yourself. But the ends you serve for all in common shall take I and I into eternity. Jah, Rastafari. Man and man who are earnest are never afraid of consequences. So said the prophet Marcus Mosiah Garvey. Rastafari.
Prayer number 6.
Empress.
Rastafari. He that loveth the gate of Zion shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty eye. Blessed are those that lift up their eyes, not unto vanity, but to seek the righteousness and the reward of the wicked. Now as I come to thee this morning, saying unto thee, King Haile, you see and you know everything. You know what injustice this daughter have been get. You know. And I know the mother feel it just like how I feel it. So I'm asking you this morning, oh Jah, to bring forth thy wrath unto that woman, oh Jah. Stretch forth thy wrath, oh Jah, and let you know that Rastafari liveth and reigneth forever. World without end. Jah, I'm asking you this morning to break the heart of the wicked. Let Babylon see and know that we are the chosen one. We are not begging for it. We are not bowing for it. We know that we are the chosen one. So just leave us alone and let we live in peace, because all we need is love, unity, and ironies. That's all we want. In the name of King Haile, Rastafari.
Yes, man. Things will be a massacre
Greetings, family. Greetings. And I know that as the mountains are round and about Jerusalem, so is Xavier Kedamawi Haile Selassie, and Empress Ozara Walata Asfa, Gradis Manan, round and about I and I. So let I and I formally acknowledge their presence. Really I. Yet 7 Psalms, David, Amaringa, Franco. Ibiar Wede Kal, Ibiar Wede Demit, Ibiar Wede Igziabiar Kadamawe, Haile Selassie, Nigos Negas, Mohammed Zazi Hemlekete Yahuda, Medani Helam, Abatachuno Yemitinor Zion, Mezaretuch Berekweresu Kirarach Nacho, Kai Kabdin Konach Yelik, Igziabiar Yetsoinan in the judge, whether that's all. Igziabiar Ketimahoi Bianche, Yetikibiar Nigra Yibalal. Yeme Yawikan Riabinia, Babylonin. I sat my brak, Yaya Minabala, Asbatualu, in the Philistine, we are Ethiopia, in the Bizia, Telawida. So, in attaching Zion, Yelal, be with one to Telawida. Arasuras only Hall Mesoritat, Lihik Zabiar Lihizb, let the dot Aliquashwa be mixed up in a gratua. Enche Yeminoru Ulodes in the Malachu in a gratua. Abetura that Medinitan Yahapala, Yeleve at that. Defete Yamare Yihun.
Chila.
We shall have Hallelujah. We shall have greetings. Safe. Yes, my people. Rise up the fire.
So let the words of fire in thy mouth, and the meditation of fire in thy heart. You ever be acceptable in thy sight, O thou Most High. The water in thy strength and thy redeemer. Jah will live it and reign it forever. So we turn to the ancient drums of the Nyabingi, because through these drums we shall break down the walls of Babylon. Through these drums and the divine inspiration of Kadamawi Haile Selassie I, we shall get justice. Through the burning fire we shall burn down all our enemies. Even in small quantities we shall burn the foundations of all injustice against humanity. So we plead the cause of all those who are affected by wrongs, by these oppressive governments, those who try to instill all kind of evil upon the nations of mankind. So we are saying to the system globally, Babylon, you cannot be wrong and get wrong. From the Rastafarians, you cannot hide from the Rastafarians. You cannot be wrong and get wrong. Now you think you say you cannot be wrong and get wrong. Watch that stop line. I say you cannot
Thank you for checking us out on Good News Jamaica TV for content that informs, inspires, and transforms. Please like, share, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more positive Jamaica content. Walk good